back in the shop. That's right, I broke something on Fake News Buggy. I rolled it up in Naches, and in trying to save it, I snapped the stub shaft on the passenger side. Let's take a look. Look at that beauty. Yeah. It's not supposed to be like that. We are going to take this girl apart. There you have it. There's the broken shaft. Well, you guys wanted to know what it took to test a 42-inch sticky on a Dana 44 with a 30 spline chromoly axle shaft. There it is. She broke. See that? That's supposed to be connected, and it definitely is not. Now I got this out, I'm gonna measure it, and then I'm gonna go order the part. And no, I did not break my U-joint because I'm running Excalibur joints, which are comp joints. So you'll see those. No needle bearings. We are currently waiting on the shaft. We got to do some wiring. We think we melted a relay for our fan. We had an issue the first day with that, so we need to figure that out because right now we just hardwired it in. You can see we definitely have a little bit of carnage from laying it on its side. Nothing too terrible. Honestly, the worst thing besides cosmetic and paint job, and obviously snapping the shaft, but the worst part of laying it over on its side, which I'm not even sure it was that, to be honest. I think it was when we were up on can opener, but we actually ruined the buckle and the little placement buckets where our window nets sit. Usually we don't run them whenever we get a kidless trip in the buggy, because mainly they're just to keep their little fingers inside and branches outside from them and stuff, just a little extra protection for them being back there. But we didn't have them in, but yeah, we messed up the mounting for all that, so we gotta fix that. I think we're gonna do some new door skins, and we've been throwing around the idea of a new paint job, but it just might get a fresh new look. You never know. So stay tuned for that. This part right here happened when we were at King of the Hammers, but this is all new. There's a little bit up top, but nothing too bad. Like I said, mainly we just messed up the brackets that we use for the window nets. So I think we're gonna try and locate them on the inside. If you missed how I did it, go ahead, jump back and watch my Naches 4th of July video. It's pretty rad. Bunch of rock crawling and carnage. So go check it out.